take a kel me jack kondial ka push tedi ni ba jo me be nyo ya kel netin konin chiti ya ten chiwo ko kumikir mi yadit biya jalin gwasme net kor yuri nang de badak to chiti ya ti wo kumikir mi yadit bana jalin kel. Why? What is the reason? Why ngum tiya kana be yen were pingwen ga kum jane ban rach me ban jalin kel ko do dande kondi mi kan kon to please gorno jin bi channel bi nyone ko ken ko mite mi ci bari gwal mi chamala ci beje bana jome bana je linkel tadan ci to ko je tadan dong de caption je bana link okay ko gor kono bana mandan to bana je kon ni gwa pan ka do de why is the reason why kon were shush kono ban report ban jeling ka tadan chalat keje ne content chelat kici jot ke ngi nga jak gor dong de ko ran palpin ba ka liengda do branan che to ga de ko linkel cause ne me very important de kon linkel and ngum shora lat take a message me an ngwa me be nwa ekel ka biya jeling ka tadan che ben keje re wichin bi mi ane chana jeling kel. According to statement from United States, SPLM Secretary General Dr. Saman Chodyer, more than 138 members publicly switched sides. They went on stage, they raised their hand, they pledged loyalty to Kir government. They promised to support SPLM program. They promised to work with the local government. They promised to strengthen unity. But let us ask ourselves honestly, where were these people for the last 11 years? What unity did they bring to the community when thousands were suffering? These are important questions because when 138 people defect at once, it is not about ideology, it is not about peace, it is not about democracy, it is about interest. And that interest is almost always personal. Before we talk about politics, let us talk about the Nuer community. Where are our people today? Some are in UN camp, living in plastic shelters. Some are in refugee camp in Ethiopia, Sudan, and Kenya, and in Uganda. Some move from village to village looking for safety. Children study under trees. Mothers sleep hungry. Families are separated. Many people still wait for justice for their loved one. This is the reality. Yet, while we carry this word, this want, some leaders choose to stand on a stage in Bentiu, celebrating political defection. They smile, they clap, they call it good news. But to the displaced mother in Panyigia, to the orphan in Bentiu Posh site, to the refugee child across South Sudan, is this good news? What does this defection help them with? Does it bring food? Does it bring education? Does it bring justice? Does it bring peace? The answer is no. It only helps the defectors. Let us talk honestly without fear. People defect because of what? One, it is because of position. They want government seat, administrative post, a county director job, something that gives them power. Second, money. They want allowances, fuel, per diem, and quick cash. Third, they want protection. Some defect because they fear being arrested or targeted. Number 4 is personal gain. Some just want to live comfortably without thinking about the people. 5, weak ideology. Some leaders simply have no strong value or political discipline. A few defect to be on the winning side, thinking Kir government is too powerful to challenge. Lack of community loyalty. This is the most painful one. Some of our own people simply don't care about the suffering of their community. When you defect during a time of community pain, who are you standing with? The oppressor or the oppressed? The victim or the one who caused the suffering? Let us be real. Defection is becoming business, Some new leaders defect today, return tomorrow, defect again next year. It is a cycle of selfishness. But this is not about politics. This is about morality. We must ask, is it not shameful to run to the same government that displaces your own people? Is it not shameful to seek position while your community suffer? Is it not shameful to smile on camera while mother cried in camp? Is it not shameful to abandon your people for your stomach? Direction without integrity is a betrayal. Defection without community interest is greed. Defection without purpose is foolishness. And a community that stays silent becomes weak. Defection is not just an event. It has long-term consequences. It weakens community unity. When leaders leave, people lose direction. The community becomes divided. It encourages opportunism. Others will say, if they defected and got a job, why not me? It sent a message that many people can be bought cheaply. This is a dangerous reputation. It damages the political struggle. Movements like SPLMIO lose strength when members run away. It delays justice. How will justice come when leaders switch sides every time they are offered a share? It brings confusion to the youth. Young people look up to leaders. When leaders act selfishly, youth lose hope. It prolongs suffering because leaders who defect rarely fight for the suffering people. They fight for their own pocket. This is why we must talk about this issue openly. So, good leadership is not about where you stand in politics. It is about how you stand with your people. Leaders should stand with displaced families, fight for justice, support peace that protect everyone, work for community interests, speak the truth even when it is hard, stay loyal to the people who suffer with them, put principle above position, and put the community above money. That is leadership. Everything else is selfishness. To the 138 people who defected in Bentiu, ask yourself honestly, what did you gain? Is it worth the suffering of your community? Is it worth your dignity? Is it worth abandoning the people who trusted you? Leadership without principle is empty. Leadership without a heart is dangerous. Leadership without community is betrayal. No amount of money can wash away the shame of abandoning your people. My fellow Nuer citizens, our strength has always been unity, but unity cannot survive if we don't speak out when our leaders go wrong. We must hold our leaders accountable. We must ask them hard questions. We must reject selfish politics. We must teach our youth the value of loyalty and community strength. Our suffering should not be used as a ladder for political promotion. In today's report, it was not meant to attack individuals. It was meant to open the eye of our people. We cannot move forward if our leaders defect every time they see money or position. We cannot build peace if our loyalty is for sale. We cannot protect our community if we follow selfish politics. Defection may give someone a seat today, but it destroys the future of our children tomorrow. Leadership is not about switching sides. Leadership is about standing firm even when it is difficult. To all new leaders, youth, women, elders, and concerned citizens, let us rise with dignity. Let us stand with our people. Let us reject selfishness let reject selfish politics. Let us fight for justice, unity, and better future for all. Nuer community deserve to live a better life. They do not deserve to suffer under the hand of the people who defect to kill government. Konwari regdana kel. Reporting economy. Need korjan de badak chiga defect chiga weka kum kemiyadit. Question la kodan mala tiki jenishang angu. Angu mitia inakaja. Angu mijia nakaja ka pad ni nwari. Kede kolara no jin angum ba youth ga jen open weruko because look on a bikenya ko this is what happen in the end of the day when you defect again and then by use and will be ramamo mi ci bañ pinyo mi kan tiayo mi kan jeno kan we ko kum jana ke kum kir mi yadit ba ji jako bala your enemy ke bala gwantero ko sinodi angu la tiay kan wermo ci jangi kan tiay 90% kan wari mi jeni gweji tada antum wana kaje ci tiay ni netin kon ci la jang a tiay ni wari wokan ka pa na jana ka ci jangi de mi tiay ba woka pa ni wari so I'm not to autumn right now. Don't let share but only room teaching on. Menodian, Jin a woman de Jen Kaji, Benjamin Verucopi. Near Dappy a care. Dormi Peterton. Jin a woman knocking them on Muwe Kaji, Muwe Ray Jadu, Nogonimi Chami, Muwe Kajibdo. A shima be community to be Jedwak. The mayor wouldn't corner should go behind pin. Jin chor chia poji chor rajigno telilot gwada le mishire na motin ke gwada dana kuje decide no betai and oboko kum na mo betai boko kum de na mo la rajigi de la rajigno jin ramugwa ko benyi ne ko rei shushka let's see mere kon chuika ko gwada dana china chikati ya shirke ne di chok korjen baddak korjen dur baddak ti ti aitine the choka you to state chicken we ka ne de konti la kwar tin right ka kuma SPLM chit ka unit state SPLM secretary general wude shal ke saman chodjir raj mi chalat mukul tiga warga ko economy a jani shikane shop ko kor jandir badak chicken ka welcome ko kuma dien kan kuma jam anwar an saman chodjir no gwan right now tin china ben gwa kel nordial no gwa kan chugo na ben declare nyam ne dial no chineti ai chune kel ke kum kir mi hadi like something a chere ka trophy ka te alodien ko chika te ne titi take a behind there they are wearing red shirt north can oken chunga ke kir mi hadit yai karuri no bu shonkel ke kuma kirmi yadit ka program ni dial kon tin bikan kalat yai karuri no bu let ke local government yai karuri no bu bikan long mu gwa bikan jaga batere we ki yunde state bachan ran min tejene na ko rum dang wel kel dial te konde shi ki rum dang waro ki ne shoyna tigani ga ne dite kwate nya mu kan ga tiyai no wal mu bu bi tiyayin tam to shu ken wer me chikan jiga lo cherka dor mu gwa kake cause cherka ne to mashidier okay gwa de shu na tin rain wer tigani ene ken de shu jene so the contagion on these people to chit IT ke should effect right now me shu na tigani condition e dan tigatin go ke take a mit take a pew kan kering kai DP ke alo shirin min live din gwai ne ka gwase dan me beka jiyan tam bekan we ka kuma mishin wari shiga naka nuari tilla deal de ka charlong ban go ramchi yanak la ngweno bia mat ka kor ka misha reconcile misha peace ta jalat kam dun then den kulo we chine ka kumna ma bana duwan kwa dorkun kwa gadda karen yal helicopter kana kayya ano brand beti ay gwase me chechwa ne record jende or badde tin kon chiti ay ken chikan ti ay ka kuy malka I'm sorry to say that chiwo ken te mal bken no chikan ti ay ko tel democracy metere inware chejan an ran tiaye ka mu gore je ko betika kwan mu ka pokada betika kwan mo jida a kwan ana me mi jang na ka tiaye bo ka jang ke ka jo ko ne ku wala chenje mu ne go buga tawrar ko jin ya jogo no ta ji promise something no bu ne me belat ko jan ta dan lat ke jor tam jor la kan la din la ke lew la gor ke no ener mom and mo medek ram de can use kana go no bi kana. And this is what is happening. One nu kwa ne kon ke yo daga jogo no bay mu ke yo bay mu ke kon den bi ane kon bi akaru ram shelo yo bi ana ko den dal to bi eliminate kane di security la rana fili di la do hajigi di la ra jigino jin jara mu go jin mi yeti ay benyi no ko pin wi ka jang ye de ran der ta ke chongbo of course mi dong te garam di mi te ko dan di enten mi yeti ay je wo ko mi ke mi yadi ya de ko jeno why not me ko la nari ni nyet kan ware la yu ngak me ti ay le nya ko but question one na kan kono ka siyasa ki politic den ran ti jin one na kon ware murai kon ko queen war community ne kon kani tam right now right ko sian kan gwada din bukula ti ay korod tik de jogo no na ren war dia ka ka UN camp yan gwada dan shinkantin shinkan tugul cha panken cha moch ka pata yoni ke ka plastic nin gwada antigatin jen gwacin kantin ka rundia ne tin wan ka ka refugee camp ka Kenya ka Sudan ka Uganda ka Ethiopia amenin South Sudan IDP camp woni ka jen yuntu state kuna lela ti aitina tama ne di altika ka refugee camp. How do you feel tana ka IDP ka poch tan wori rana jere wejin ba wejin da dien ko gweje no dong bitik da bo gwan winimi ko dong tel mi yona gan war dial tintiene chenkan ni under trees chenkan re ya re romne gwan mi tele dwel gorka tele dwel wal meten wanamo la nin kan ka bwa maniken ka bwa gwan kenano jana da ti family che te gwa kel changana ro je kam ram ke dong bolo ten gwara din tana cha ka yan kare ti jen tongo da ba cha go no ba kolun na me jin tik dan de content so ne kon mi chuke re wi na na content gor jeno ban cha so mi cha ngak ke ti ai mum lu da te kon mla non kan wore te dul gor mla non kan wore te ka thok mla be te mal mnonga tel mi chala mal tel mal mi be tin ka dial te lin kon gatini ko rude dial kana si gor kana kon mu ka tel ma gwa mi le ro so na meni alani de kon ti ay kitin wo karodian kan wore la ti ay kan ka kwi ko baran mo ka kom gor kan kom ko kume baran mo ka kom be je kule use organization people teran ko baje mo ka yo yang ran teran dor den betiai bai kula mo ke yo bne ko be kulo chenga ja tana ti ay kan ko dong yan ka ke doli ko dong baje na ka kene ko betiai tana ti ay kan ko chicken dier bo kane ko la neken tana ti ay kan ko cherken ka chertot weak ideology la cher konte ka ke de tieni long tana lana guje no mu ati ay bo to ka sai dan bo win tana ti ran ba ko jen no choro lingo community che community re cha de lo community ko donga dar ki donga chor ki te jegla da den bo ti ay so but ke reason ti ay ke ko che gu en go chalo gun community ka din jegla da bay chu gwa du bay use kan amu ke yon wini mi bay yut bane yo kan re kon lo gon won bay mo ke yo che tok bo wi ba je dak so ni shit kan to kan re kon yar ko kon shalon war so ramu ci ti ay ke lu tel mo go ambe no ko kon but de ko lo kan dialo woni na an ti ay du approach kan wari a chanke guje no e ishe poy keje approach keje ko ben no re ko pin gwan mi shuj katin gwan mi liu katin du ko lo ko kum man dana ko gala nak alat ni de konen kwala cholo no ko pressure panke netin kono kwala chenga jek be ko ban pin tila ne tila che moro ko lo karam dana ku che moro ko gala nak ban jom do dien la tema